Question 11. Name some complex types of data types AVRO supports. Answer. There are 6 kinds of complex types which AVRO supports: records, enums, arrays, maps, unions, fixed. Question 12. What are best features of Apache AVRO? Answer. Some of the best features of AVRO are schema evolution, untagged data, language support, transparent compression, dynamic typing, native support in MapReduce, rich data structures. Question 13. Explain some advantages of AVRO. Answer. Pros of AVRO are the smallest size. It compresses block at a time. Split table. Maintained object structure. Also, supports reading old data with new schema. Question 14. Explain some disadvantages of AVRO. Answer. Cons of AVRO are: it is must use .NET 4.5 in the case of C# AVRO to make the best use of it. Potentially slower serialization. In order to read/write data, need a schema. Question 15. Explain the term serialization. Answer. To transport the data over the network or to store on some persistent storage. The process of translating data structures or objects state into binary or textual form is what we call serialization. In other words, serialization is also known as marshalling and deserialization is known as unmarshalling. Question 16. What do you mean by schema resolution? Answer. Whether from an RPC or a file, a reader of AVRO data can always parse that data since its schema is offered. Yet it is possible that schema may not be exactly the schema what we expect, so for that purpose we use schema resolution. Question 17. What is the way of creating AVRO schemas? Answer. In the format lightweight text-based data interchange, JavaScript object notation, JSON, the AVRO schema gets created. We can make it in various ways: a JSON string, JSON object, a JSON array. Question 18. Name some AVRO reference APIs. Answer. The classes and methods which we use in the serialization as well as deserialization of AVRO schemas are: specific datum writer class, specific datum reader class, data file writer, data file reader, class schema parser, interface generic record, class generic data record. Question 19. When to use AVRO? Explain. Answer. Mainly for 2 purposes we use AVRO, like data serialization, RPC, remote procedure call protocol. Although some key points are: we are able to read the data from disk with applications by using AVRO even which are written in other languages besides Java or the JVM. Also, AVRO allows us to transfer data across a remote system without any overhead of Java serialization. We use AVRO when we need to store the large set of data on disk, as it conserves space. Further, by using AVRO for RPC, we get a better remote data transfer. Question 20. What is the advantage of Hadoop over Java serialization? Answer. As with the help of the writable objects, Hadoop writable-based serialization is able to reduce object creation overhead, which is not possible with the Java native serialization framework. That's why using Hadoop 1 is an advantage.